In this video, I'll show you how you can uninstall the Riot Game Client. First, what you want to do is come down here and you want to search for Task Manager. Open it up and go to Details. First, you want to press L, close down any League of Legends related stuff by ending a task. R, close down anything from Riot Client. And press V and close down anything from Vanguard by ending the task. Once you've done all of that, what you want to do is you want to come down here and search for Riot Client. Right click on it, open file location. Now in here, you want to remember this one, so you can click up here, Control C to copy it. And once we've done that, you want to right click on this one again and open file location. Once you're in here, you're going to go back to the disk, delete Riot Games folder. So right click and delete. Once you've done that, you want to come up here and paste what you just copied and press enter. Once you're back here and you deleted the other folder, go to Programs and delete this Riot Game folder. Now once you've deleted both of these, what you want to do is come down here and search for Run, type in %local app data % and press OK. In here, scroll down until you find Riot Games and delete this folder. Once you deleted all three folders, you want to right click on your recycle bin and empty it. Once that is done, come here and search for Apps and Features. And in here, you want to search for Riot, press Riot Client and uninstall if you can do this. If you cannot, then that's fine as well. Do the same for Riot Vanguard. Now, if it doesn't work from in here, you can search for Control Panel. And let me just go this to Category and find Programs and choose Uninstall a Program. In here, you can search for Riot Client, right click and uninstall. Now, after you've done all of this, it should be completely removed, and that's basically how it works. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.